how to scan a QR code that's on your iPhone screen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code that's actually on your iPhone. Maybe someone emailed you a QR code or it's on a website. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And I'll be showing you two different ways to do this for free. So the first way to do this is going to be to take a screenshot of the QR code when it's on your iPhone screen. So make sure it's on the screen like this, and then we can easily take a screenshot by pressing the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Once you do that, you'll see the screenshot down here. Just select the screenshot. And then in here, select this little box with some lines in it, and then select the QR code. From there, we can open up the QR code or we can copy it. So if I open that up, it'll bring me to the website that the QR code has. It would also allow me to copy any text in that QR code. Now, if for some reason when you took the screenshot, it didn't give you the option to actually click the QR code, we can use a QR code decoder. So we need to first take a screenshot of the QR code. And then once you open up the screenshot, select Done and Save to Photos. Once you have it saved as a photo on your phone, we can use a QR code decoder like qrcodegadget.com. And full disclosure, this is a website I made so that I could recommend a tool that I knew is safe and doesn't require you to upload your photos or QR codes to any servers. All of the decoders and scanners work directly on your phone. So check the description. I have a link down there. Once you get to qrcodegadget.com, select QR code decoder. Then you can either paste it if you have it in your clipboard, or you can select choose image. And I'm going to do photo library. And then here's the QR code right here. And I'll select done. So once I do that, it'll tell me that it was successfully decoded. And now if I go down, I can see the contents and I can even copy it to my clipboard. And then I could open up a new tab or just paste it anywhere that I want it. And then it will allow me to open and use that QR code data. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.